How do you get life insurance? You have a couple options. You could either A, have somebody contact you, or B, reach out to somebody that you trust. There are two types of people that write life insurance: agents and brokers. Agents work for X company, State Farm, Liberty Mutual, Transamerica. Brokers work for multiple carriers. Transamerica, State Farm, Aetna, these are carriers of life insurance. Your best bet is to talk to a broker because they could shop around for the best rate that exists on the market on your behalf. You don't have to do any work. Here at honorsinsurance.com, we are a brokerage, so I'm a broker. So I have the privilege of, looking at a bunch of rates and being like, okay, do you like this on the policy? Do you want this? We can sacrifice this for this price, XYZ, etc. And you also get a lot more options to fit your client. It's just a lot better, and that's why I kind of chose to be a broker instead of an agent. So basically, you pick an agent or a broker. You say, hey, these are my finances. Well, they'll walk you through everything, but this is what the conversation would look like. These are my finances. This is what I want. I want to protect this person for this reason. I want to leave this much money behind. I don't want to leave this much money behind. I have these debts. I have this mortgage. I have X. I have Y. I have Z. I have this loan. I have private loans. I have federal loans. And then from there, the agent's going to do all the work. They're going to look at your packet, basically, and they're going to match you. If it's a broker, they'll match you with a company that works. If it's an agent, they'll just give you what they have. From there, especially with a broker, you get coverage pretty quickly unless you go with a guaranteed issue policy. Guaranteed issue policies for people who have the big five in terms of medical disparities: heart attack, stroke, cancer, COPD, diabetes, present or in the past. If you have one of those, you're going to get a guaranteed issue policy, which is guaranteed life insurance, but it won't go into effect for 2 years, okay? If you die within those 2 years, okay, you'll get all your premiums back plus 10%. So it's not like you get nothing, but you are better off. That's why I always say you are better off getting life insurance earlier than later to avoid picking up one of these and then having to pay a higher premium or being only allowed guaranteed issue life insurance. The insurance agent or broker will write your application for your life insurance either over the phone or in person. They can do either one. And then from there, you're approved, typically within minutes, and your insurance goes into effect. So it's just that simple.